Gratitude. Noun. The quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for and to return kindness. Gratitude is the skill you're probably not leveling up already, but you should. It's completely free and you can improve your gratitude with just a few minutes work, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do in just a moment. Firstly, why should you try to be more grateful? Gratitude has been shown to contribute not only to an increase in happiness, health, and other desirable life outcomes, but also to a decrease in negative affect and problematic functioning to patients with neuromuscular disease, college students, patients with cancer, healthcare providers, and early adolescents. Researching gratitude for this video has made me realize that it's another meta skill, just like meditation. The more grateful you become, the better pretty much everything in your life will get. I know that might sound like a lie or clickbait, but honestly it makes sense. In the Oxford Handbook of Positive Psychology, it was written that gratitude may support happiness through enhancing enjoyment of benefits, relationships, self-esteem, and coping ability. So gratitude just kind of makes life better. Let's level up our gratitude skill. There's 2 methods that are widely recommended for this, and I can personally vouch for both. Gratitude journaling. Writing down the things you feel grateful for is actually quite a convenient way to increase your gratitude and see some positive benefits with just a few minutes every day. I have my gratitude journal here. I write a few things every single morning without fail about what I feel grateful for. You can see from my behavior tracker that this is something I've been extremely consistent with. In fact, I've missed just 2 days of gratitude journaling over 7 weeks. And come on, look at how consistent I've been with my habits recently. All those boxes ticked deserves a thumbs up on this video, doesn't it? Sort me out with a like for that hard work ethic. Doing this is easy. Just get a piece of paper or a notepad, write the date, and then just let your mind think about something you feel grateful for. What are you thankful about? Who are you glad is in your life? What good act deserves a thank you? Write it down. It will feel a little awkward at first, but that feeling goes away after just a few days of journaling. And the second method is writing letters of gratitude. Just as the name suggests, instead of journaling, you structure this as a letter, as if it's to the person you're grateful for. Explain what and why you're grateful for them, and thank them for being in your life. Berkeley University did an experiment on this. The group of participants who wrote gratitude letters reported significantly better mental health 4 weeks and 12 weeks after their writing exercise ended. So there's actually some long-term benefits here. What I found interesting was that only 23% of their participants actually sent those letters out. So if you're looking to replicate the letter of gratitude for your own benefit, you may not even have to send it to the person you feel grateful for. In my opinion, we should use that. There are people who you should write the letter for and actually give it to. But since we can see some positive benefits from just writing the letter and not actually going through that uncomfortable action of giving it to the person, you should write plenty of these letters. Have a notebook full of them, being grateful for random people in your life. Try and write one every day, similar to journaling. I really like their closing paragraph for this experiment. Regardless of whether you're facing serious psychological challenges, if you have never written a gratitude letter before, we encourage you to try it. Much of our time and energy is spent pursuing things we don't currently have. Gratitude reverses our priorities to help us appreciate the people and the things we do.